Hey everybody, this is Rick Copeland. Some of you may have seen me in the Facebook group, That Dude with the Laser. I want to make a quick video to help explain how to place the Corel script from Sean Murray in the proper folder so that it'll run when you open CorelDraw. I'm going to start with the assumption that you already have the script zip file that you download. Here's the file, right click it, extract all. It does not matter where you extract it. I'm just going to extract it all right here where it was. My computer is set to automatically open that. There are three script files in here, an X5, an X6, and the CorelDraw script by Sean Murray. I am sure that the X5 and X6 probably get put in place similar to this, but for right now we're focusing on CorelDraw 2019. So we're going to right click this top script, copy it, go to local disk C, program files, Corel, CorelDraw Graphics Suite, Draw, and GMS. This is the location of your GMS folder for CorelDraw. Right click, paste. My computer needs administrative privileges for me to do that, so I answer that. You may not have that pop-up screen. Once it's placed in there, you can close this folder out, close that folder out, and open CorelDraw. Once CorelDraw opens up, if you have your scripts window loaded, you will see the CorelDraw script right here. And the rest of Sean's instructions apply. You can either right click part 1 and run, or you can push the run down here. If you do not have these scripts loaded where you can see the Visual Basic scripts, you can go to Tools, Scripts, and make sure this is checked. Once you have that checked, your scripts will show up much like this. A lot of people have other things like this over here, but all right. Well, I hope that helps everybody out. Y'all have a blessed day.